We're going to talk about our Sockeye Salmon Nuggets that we have. These are skinless Sockeye Salmon bellies, and they have no bone and no skin, and they're really, really good. We package them in convenient 4-ounce packages, so it's a really easy thing to make. It takes less than 5 minutes. I'm gonna prepare for you today, and kids love them. You can serve them with rice and soy sauce, and my kids just absolutely love these Sockeye Salmon Nuggets that we have. So let me go ahead and prepare these for you. I've already thawed them out. I'm gonna open them up. So what I like to do is, when I'm gonna rinse them, I personally like to just use the bag. So I'll cut the top off like so, and then I'll actually put water in the bag to rinse them. Cold water. Okay, mix around a little bit. Put my hand on the bottom to strain them. You could also put it in a strainer too. I think it's really easy and convenient to do that. So this is a 1/2 pound of Sockeye Salmon Nuggets here that we have here. And they're the belly pieces, like I said before, of the Sockeye Salmon. So they have a lot of oil in them. They're very rich, they're very flavorful, and they cook fast. So all I like to do is put salt and pepper on them. A little mix that I have here, just a little bit. I always think salt enhances the flavor. Next, I'm gonna put a little butter. I have 1 tablespoon of butter I'm gonna put in a saute pan here, in a preheated pan. And then, as soon as the butter melts, and you know what, this is kind of a big pan. I'm gonna throw a little bit more butter in there so it doesn't stick to the surface. I'm just gonna slide these in there. You know your pan's hot when you hear it sizzle. You want to make sure that they're all laying flat on the pan. And sometimes the nuggets will curl up, that's completely natural, but what I really like about the Sockeye Salmon Nuggets is they thaw very quick, they cook very fast. So especially for parents, like my wife and I have 2 little kids, it's really convenient to have something that cooks fast. So when you come home from work, you can go ahead and have a meal prepared in like 10-15 minutes. It's really, really awesome. So I let them cook for about 1.5 minutes on each side. That's what I recommend. You'll know they're cooked when you turn them over. They're gonna have like a golden brown color to them. So we can look at some. It's been about 1 minute. And it's not quite golden brown yet. So it needs to take a little bit longer. It's also important to note that depending on the cook surface that you have, the cooking time may vary. Electric cooks faster than natural gas stoves. So it's really important to cook less time on an electric stove. Okay, so it's been about 1.5 minutes now. We're gonna flip these. Yes, it's exactly how they should look right there. I'll do one for the camera here as well for you. So this is how they should look when you're gonna flip them. They should have a nice kind of golden color on them, right? Okay, great. So we've cooked them for about 1.5 minutes on each side, and now I'm gonna plate them. Really, 1/4 pound of these Sockeye Salmon Nuggets go a long way. This is about 1/2 pound here, and it's a lot of goodness. Just to recap, so we thawed the Sockeye Salmon belly nuggets, then I rinsed them with cold water, patted them dry with a paper towel, seasoned them with salt and pepper, sauteed them for about 1.5 minutes on each side, medium-high heat with a little bit of butter. Excellent, delicious, convenient, and fast. I hope you enjoy.